Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dates on WordPress posts. There are actually a few different methods to remove the date from your posts, and we'll cover all of them today. You can do this through your dashboard settings, by using a plugin, or by customizing your theme code using CSS or a direct theme edit. Out of all these options, I highly recommend going with the first approach from the admin dashboard because you don't need any coding expertise at all to pull it off. Let's dive right into that first method, as removing the date from a WordPress post is incredibly easy from the admin dashboard. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress admin area. After that, navigate over to Settings on the left-hand menu and click on General. Scroll down until you find the Date Format section. All you have to do here is select the Custom option. Delete whatever text is sitting in that box and click on Save Changes. With this method, the date from your WordPress post will be removed instantly. Besides this, we have some more approaches to hide the date just in case that first method didn't perfectly fit your needs. Let's look at the plugin approach next. There are various free WordPress plugins available for removing the date from your posts, but you need to choose the best one that works flawlessly for your specific setup. For this case, I highly recommend using the WP Meta and Date Remover plugin. To do this, go to your admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in the plugin name, WP Meta and Date Remover. Once it pops up, click on Install and then activate it. Finally, you just need to check the available settings of this plugin to make sure it's configured the way you want. Hopefully, you're able to remove the date after using this plugin. If your problem is still the same, don't worry, we can move on to the CSS method. With this method, you can easily hide the date section from your post by adding a tiny bit of code. You need to navigate to Appearance, click on Customize, and then open the Additional CSS section. Even if your theme code is completely untouched, targeting the right class will work for you. At first, try adding the CSS class .entry-meta space .entry-date.published and set the display property to none. Alternatively, you can try just targeting .entry-meta and setting the display to none. We believe that these CSS codes will easily help remove the post date. Also, as a quick side note, if you are using our free WordPress theme Cover News and want to remove the date from the post, you can use the CSS class span.post-date and set the display to none. Are you still having problems removing it? If so, another great method is directly editing the theme code. Nevertheless, we generally prefer removing it from the admin dashboard or using the CSS method before trying this one. But if you are familiar with theme codes, you can edit the post date code right from the content.php file of your theme. Go to Appearance and click on Theme Editor. Choose the theme which you want to edit from the drop-down menu in the top right. Then choose the template named content.php from the template-parts folder. You'll need to scroll through and find the specific code for the date, remove that selected part, and save the file. Just a quick but very important note. Before editing this file, please make sure you have a backup of your theme or website in case anything goes wrong. You need to be able to restore it, and using a child theme is highly recommended whenever you customize theme code. If you've tried all of these methods and you're still running into issues, drop a comment with your problem down below and we will guide you with a possible solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.